Okay, so I just left my house and it's nasty out again. Just wanting to see what the destruction is gonna look like down there today, because I haven't been since right after this stuff just first hit. So bear with me while I drive, and once I get down the hill I can narrate a little better. I start off at the corner of Mount Gainer and Procknell, and yeah, so that'll get nasty later. Upload it to YouTube whenever I get back. Don't worry, my eyes are on the road, not on what I'm videotaping. So if you catch something ugly, sorry. But this is our main way out. It's not the evacuation route, or that's what I call it, which is actually East Mount Gainer Road. This is Mount Gainer Road. I think they call it County Road 220 out here. I don't know. It's County Road something though. And it's beautiful out here. And so I'm almost to my hill. People are going up and down this way, so I know the bridge is okay at this point. But we'll just see. So this is my big hill that we drive down every day. When the rains got really bad, you can see where they have the barrier up. And the water was almost to that point. The water was, well, you can see the water line where it was. It's not rocking and rolling like it was, but you can still see all that bedrock that got pushed up and all the nastiness. Yeah, I would hate to be the property owner that's gonna have to replace all that fence. These yellow lines are, I want to say Verizon. That's still pretty gnarly down there, but you can see where it was completely covered. I gotta be real careful here. Oh, hi, H2O to you. How you doing? Yeah, we're only getting through one person at a time, sir. I haven't been down this far yet. I knew John had, so I knew what to expect for the most part. But my God, I was going to take an overhead view, but well, I forgot. I was too busy watching the road. That's somebody else's driveway. They're not getting in out of there. But, well, I guess it didn't get very high up down here until you hit this point. But I wouldn't know because I ain't a duck. No, I would not play down here. Just not happening. You can see where it filled up on the other side though. And you can see where stuff was washed up. Oh yeah, it did go all the way up. Oh, well, you could have slowed down, you little brat. Oh, her mailbox washed away. Pretty little waterfall. Yield to make sure nobody wipes me out. If we get any more rain, yeah, we're swimming again. They just got this bridge cleared yesterday. I mean, look at the tree. That's stuck in a tree. Yes. Yield sign is gone. This is the driveway that couple turned out of. They just turned left and ended up in the drink. But luckily, they stayed to the left of that particular fence. And when the car finally stopped, it stopped right about here. And my dark picture that I showed some people was taken right about here. So, yeah, that's my normal route out. And so you can see that when it floods, it gets really gnarly down here. And so we're just really lucky to have an alternate route out. There's some people that they don't have that and they get stuck in, and until the water recedes, they're pretty much SOL. So anyway, oh yeah, there's one other part up ahead. This is the other part of Creek Road. You can see we still have water running across the roadway, but it's not too bad. But whenever I get up just a little bit, pothole. Oh. Whenever I get up a little bit further, there's an area that just the night it was raining, whenever it was just so bad, I looked at the water and was like, no, I'm not going to play here. I'll go in an alternate route. So luckily, the residents along this street also have a safe route out. If they didn't, they wouldn't even be able to walk out of here unless they cut through fields. Hey, they're finally getting that structure up. Again, I haven't been down here in a few days. And the last time I did, I didn't try and come up this road. But so yeah, right here where these barriers are, this is almost at Creek Road and 290. But the water was just running so deep and so fast that it was not passable in any way, shape, or form. And so, yeah, it kind of sucked. Anyway, so that's my travel to 290. Y'all have a good day.